Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Sam again from Belgium, and I'm going to tell you something more today about a call from me, of which I am also quite proud, of which I have shot one of the biggest bucks which has ever been shot in France. So it was quite nice, I got very lucky. But also I want to tell you something how I use it, because it's not just like any other call. You need really to take into account some things which are important if you want to have success with the Belblatts. The first thing you need to do, if you look at the call, you see there's a wide opening between the reed and the call. You see the difference here? This part and this part. This has several technical reasons, but one of the most important reasons, I will not bore you to death with all the details, but one of the most important reasons is that this construction pushes all the known roe calls very close together on this call. So this means you do not need a screw on top of your call to range the sound from a lower pitch to a higher pitch. You do not need two tone boards, one on the left and one on the right. You do not need to switch rubber to go from a young animal to an old animal and vice versa. So you only need this side of the call, and with this you can really imitate any animal from young to old without any additional handling. But don't forget, it is important to put first the reed, this part, with your teeth or your lips down to the call. So if you don't do that, you will not get any sound. So it's important that you push the reed completely down on the call. This is rule number 1 with Belblatt. Rule number 2 is you don't blow from the cheeks. Don't do like that, you blow from the throat. These two reasons, these two things are very important to get the correct activation out of the call. Number 1 rule, put the reed down. Number 2, blow from the throat. Don't blow from the cheeks, all right? So I will show you now what's so special about the Belblatt, the young animal, the older animal, which are all integrated very close together. Check it out. You hear? You have this really large variation from young animal to old animal and in between. And I'm just moving my call a little bit upwards and downwards, not a lot. The call reacts instantly. And this is a big advantage. If there's a buck coming and you see it's reacting to a younger animal, to a younger sound or an older sound, you can instantly adapt the sound to that individual buck. And that for me was very important, that I could react very fast and not need any additional handling to get the sound out of it that I want. Another advantage is, because of the same construction, that you can put the call, because of this part here, this little notch, you can hook that up to your lower teeth, and then you can call without the use of your hands. So very nice, I will show you. You see, again, with just moving the call a little bit upwards and downwards, or going a little bit higher on the tone board or lower, I can imitate the whole package of sounds, from young animal to old animal, and everything in between. So this is also a reason why I constructed it with the gap between the reed and the call. Okay, also important is that for a correct activation of the call, you best take it like that into your hand. So you put your thumb here and you put your index finger here. So you can word the call like that. This is a standard way of using it. If you want to get a higher sound, just open your hands or use it hands-free as you wish. If you want to get a more volume, you just cup your fingers around the call like that to really amplify the sound. This way you can really do anything with it. You can call close in, hands-free, with an open call, or you just cup your hands around it and then you go further with the sounds. Belblatt has been for me a tremendous successful project for my personal attempts in calling big roebucks, which was in 2019 one of the biggest roebucks ever shot in France. And I have shot many medal bucks with it. It has been a very successful call for me, and I have built it completely to my own wishes. And I'm very happy with it, and it's really the first year that I start selling it a little bit in volume. So you can check out the video how the big buck in France was shot. And if you would have any other questions about the Belblatt, please feel free to contact me in English, French or German. Looking forward to hearing from you, and wish you the best of luck with game calling and the best of luck with hunting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.